morning to my dear children of Standard 6. Today we are going to study lesson number 2 of Civics, Diversity in the Society. Let's discuss what we are going to study in this diversity in the society. Point 2.1, Diversity is our strength. Point 2.2, the principle of secularism. Point 2.3, the contribution of society to our development. Point 2.4, regulation of the society. Yes, children. Now let's understand what the word diversity means. Diversity means understanding that each individual is unique and recognizing our individual difference. That can be along the dimensions of race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, social economic status, age, physical abilities, religious belief, and political belief or other ideology. This means diversity. Now let's understand what do the word society means. Society means the people living together in more or less order of a community to allow all the people with cooperation live together, enjoy the festival together, help each other. There are many languages, religion, culture, custom and tradition in the Indian society. There are many languages, religion, culture, customs and tradition in Indian society. The diversity is a mark of our rich cultural heritage. We live among the people who speak different languages such as Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Gujarati, Urdu. We speak in our school Marathi, Hindi, English, yes or no? These are the language which all the people speak in India. They celebrate their festival and cultural event in different way. Their mode of worship are also different. Our country consists of regions with different languages and the people of different culture and tradition in the society. They celebrate their festival and the way of worships are also different. Like the Hindus worship Lord Ganesha, Muslim goes to masjid, Christians offer their prayer in the church on Saturday, Wednesday or Sunday. Muslim offer 5-time namaz. Now we can see in the picture the historical heritage of our country, India. Our country consists of regions with different historical legacy, where this diversity is shared and celebrated. As all these different communities in our country have lived together for many years, as a feeling of oneness have developed among them, and this feeling of oneness lead to unity in Indian society. Now children, we can see Taj Mahal in the picture, yes or no, the monuments. These are the top 10 World Heritage Site of India, built by our ruler. Diversity is our strength. To live with different groups is to experience coexistence. Coexistence helps to increase the level of understanding among the people. It acquainted us with each other, tradition, custom and way of life. We learn to respect each other's way of life. We even adopt certain tradition from others. This helps us to increase the feeling of unity in the society. This social unity helps us to face many natural and social calamities together. Yes, children. Now we celebrate the festivals, we celebrate their tradition, we wear their customary dresses in school. Sometimes we celebrate na Ganesh Chaturthi. You are asked to wear traditional dresses. Yes, as we celebrate all the festival tradition, we help each other as well as we give respect to each other in different way of life. Okay, children, now we complete with our first part, diversity is our strength. In the second part, we are going to study the principle of secularism. Okay, thank you.